In this video, you will learn how to link your Aadhaar number with your PAN. You can do this by logging into your account and linking your Aadhaar and PAN. Using the Link Aadhaar option on the e-filing homepage if you're not logged in, or linking them via SMS. Let's observe how you can link your Aadhaar and PAN by logging into your e-filing account. On the e-filing homepage, click the button to log in. Enter your login ID, password, and captcha code. Then, click on the Login button. If your PAN is not linked to Aadhaar, a form will be displayed as soon as you log in. You may choose to provide necessary details here or access the form using the steps shown here. From the Profile Settings tab, click the Link Aadhaar option. Your name, date of birth and gender will be pre-filled from PAN. Verify the pre-filled details with the details on your Aadhaar card. If the details match, enter your Aadhaar number and name as per your Aadhaar card. If your Aadhaar card has only year of birth, then you must tick the I have only year of birth in Aadhaar card box. Then tick the I agree to validate my Aadhaar details with UIDAI box. After that, click the Link Aadhaar button. On successful linkage, a message will appear on screen confirming that your Aadhaar number has been linked to your PAN. Now, you will see how to link your Aadhaar and PAN without logging in. On the e-filing homepage, go to the left pane and click the Link Aadhaar option. You will be redirected to a new screen. Enter your PAN, Aadhaar number, and name as per Aadhaar in the relevant fields. If your Aadhaar card has only year of birth, tick the I have only year of birth in Aadhaar card box. Then tick the I agree to validate my Aadhaar details with UIDAI box. After that, enter the captcha code details and click the Link Aadhaar button. Note that linking your PAN and Aadhaar will be successful only if your details match on both the documents. If your name as per Aadhaar does not match your name on your PAN card, you must get your name corrected through UIDAI's website or on the NSDL PAN portal. You can also link your Aadhaar and PAN using SMS. Go to the SMS facility on your mobile phone and enter the SMS addressee as 567678 or 56161. There is a specific format for the SMS, which is UIDPAN space your Aadhaar number space your PAN. Enter your Aadhaar and PAN details in the specified format and send the message. So there you go. 3 easy ways to link your Aadhaar and PAN. Link your Aadhaar and PAN now for smoother return filing.